Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you how to make the basic skirt pattern. Using your basic skirt pattern, you can create other kinds of skirt patterns. You can have your pencil skirt, mini skirt, your mermaid skirts, or pleated skirts from the basic skirt pattern. As long as you know how to do the basic skirt pattern, then you're good to go. For this pattern, I'm using 4 measurements: the waist measurement, hip measurements, the hip depth measurement, and the length of the skirt. I already have a video up on how to take these measurements. First, I'm marking the length of the skirt. I'm using 25 inches length. And I'm adding 2 inches for the hem allowance. For the width of the skirt, I'm dividing the hip measurement by 2. I'm using hip 36 inches, so divided by 2, that's 18 inches. So mark 18 inches. Divide the width into 2. I have 18 inches. This is going to be the front pattern and this is the back pattern. To get the hip line, I'm going to measure the hip depth measurement. That's the measurement from your waist to your hip. It's 9 inches. Now from the center front, I'm marking quarter waist measurements at the waistline. I'm using waist 26 inches, so quarter is 6.5 inches. Now I'm going to connect this 6.5 inches to the hip line using the French curve. For the back waist, I'm measuring the same 6.5 inches plus 1 inch for that. So in total, this is 7.5 inches. I'm going to join this 7.5 to the hip. Now I'm going to add a dart to the back waist. For the dart, I'm going to mark the midpoint of 7.5, and that's 3.75. So this is where I'm going to place the dart. 4 inches long. And 1 inch wide. So I'm going to mark 1 inch. On this center back line, I'm going to measure half an inch inwards. I'll connect this to the hip depth. Then at the center front line, I'll be measuring half an inch downwards. And connect with my French curve. This is for what we call the bomb effect, to avoid that bulge at the back of the skirt. The center front is to be cut on fold. This is the side seam. Now I'm going to rule out the zipper allowance, which is 2 inches, or how you want it to be. I'm using 2 inches for the zipper allowance. The grain line. The grain line helps to guide you on how to place the pattern paper on your fabric. And we're done. This is the basic skirt pattern. Very easy to make. No dart at the front, just one dart at the back. We're going to place the center front on fold and add about 1 inch or half an inch allowance for the side seam, and for the center back we have our zipper allowance. Thank you for watching. See you same time, same channel. And in case you do not know how to take your basic skirt pattern, I already have a video up on that. I'm going to leave a link in the description box below, so just check it out. Bye.
I might grab a bat, I don't know my wrath, my blood boils over like, oh God, here goes. I lost all feeling from my head to my toes. You said some shit that I can't let go, so just stay tuned for the rest of the show. So have you ever felt betrayed? Switches how you see things, realize something needs change.